Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cut these layers into my hair to create more volume. I love the way it turned out. It was pretty easy, so if you're new here, my name's Angel and I post weekly videos. So make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram because I love staying up to date with all of the latest trends. And make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So this is how long my hair is brushed out. I'm about to take a shower so I can come back and cut it when it's wet. My hair is pretty long. This is the longest it's been in a long time and I'm so happy with the length. I just need some layers because my hair is very weighted down. My shortest layer is almost as long as my hair. My layers have definitely grown out. I used to have shorter layers, but they just grew out over time. I was on Pinterest looking up a bunch of curly haircuts and I'm like, I think I can do this myself. I watched Mains by Mell pigtail tutorial and it looks pretty easy, so I'm gonna do that. I wanna keep the length, but I want my layers to be a lot shorter just so I can have extra volume. My ends are pretty dry and I'm due for a trim. So the last time I had a trim was in February and it's June now. Also, tomorrow's my birthday, so I really can't mess this up. I feel like it's gonna be fine, but you know, just a little added pressure. We're going out of town for the weekend, so no pressure. I love how long it is and I do want to keep growing it out. I'm gonna go wash this hair and then I'll be back to cut some layers. I washed my hair and I have a spray bottle on hand just in case it starts to dry because I want to make sure my hair stays wet. And I actually have professional hair cutting scissors because I am a beauty school dropout, okay? I started cosmetology school, never finished, so I guess, you know, I really am a beauty school dropout, just like that song in Greece. Beauty school dropout. Let me take my hair out and I'm gonna start with my bangs. That's what Mains by Mell did first. When I cut my bangs over quarantine, I think I made them thinner like this. Yeah, because you can see like these are the bangs that I cut over quarantine, whereas I went a little bit further back right now. I'm just gonna take like that much off. All right, so the bangs are good. I'm not gonna touch the shorter part because I want those to keep growing out. So I was gonna do the unicorn method, but after watching Mains by Mell's video, I decided I was gonna do the pigtails cut. She did a great demonstration on why you shouldn't do the unicorn haircut and you should do the pigtails haircut. So I'm like, all right, well, let's do the pigtails haircut then. So if you want more of your length cut off, you're gonna place the ponytail at the bottom of your head. But like I said, I wanna keep as much of the length as possible. So that means I'm gonna have to place my ponytail pretty high. So let me just try to get a smooth, high ponytail that's like in the center of the side of my head. Because she said if you put the ponytail toward the front of your head, it's gonna take off more in the front, and if you place the ponytail toward the back, it's gonna take off more of the back, which makes sense. So it's not too much, I'm not starting off with a lot, but I'm gonna point cut a little bit. I think it looks good, it looks healthy. All right, let's take it down. Still have the length, thank God. Definitely got some layers in the front here cut, which is what I wanted. Okay, so the last step is to cut the perimeter. You can see this side is more blended than this side. I need to take off like a little bit right here. All right, perfect. That took a while. You wanna take your time with this too, like never rush when you're cutting your hair. I stopped cutting before I got scissor happy, but I love the length and how it feels now, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair like I normally would, but I'm going to be using this CMOS collection by Curls. There's like 3 different products I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using this C-Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime, the Moisture Magnet CMOS Curl Cream, and this Nourish and Shine CMOS Foam. So I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm done styling my hair, and I also have a video showing you how I style my hair using the Denman brush. I'll link that in the description box. Really easy method, and I love it so much. My curls always come out looking so good. I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and then I'll come back to apply one more product, and then I'll be done. It's been a few hours and my hair is almost completely dry. It's still a tiny bit damp. My hair takes forever to dry, but this is the final result. I love the way my hair came out, and because I was brushing it so much during the cutting process, I know that my curls are going to be a little bit tighter after my next wash, because when you brush curly hair over and over, it kind of messes with the curl pattern. So let's see. I love this for me. I'm so happy that I decided to do this. My hair just needed a trim and I love it. I kept the length. One of my biggest tips is to not get scissor happy, because that can be very dangerous, and I love the way my hair turned out. So my hair naturally parts on this side, but because I had my hair in the pigtails, it kind of wants to part down the middle. So I love my hair right now, but I am excited for the next time I wash my hair. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. We're going to the mountains this weekend for my birthday, and I'm going to be vlogging. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna check out some breweries, and you don't wanna miss it. So make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.